folks, welcome back to another episode of Zodicatthefarm at the Farm. It's so wonderful to be here with all of you. I hope everyone is doing well out there in the world. I'm doing absolutely fantastic. I am going to be working on another flower today, so I just wanted to quickly show it to you. All right, so this is a three-piece, 1, 2, and then the door pole. This is a three-piece flower that we're going to be working on today. So I hope you'll stay with me because I'm going to give you the tips from A to Z on how to make these beautiful glass flowers. Okay? All right, let's move on to the items that you're going to need to complete this project. It's the list of items that you're going to need to complete the project, and just remember that I will list the items required in the description box below, so you won't need to take any notes. Okay, so we're gonna be working on this particular flower, and you're going to need your dishes already cleaned and drilled, ready to go. I am not going to be drilling in this particular episode today, but you can go back into my video collection to find out how you can drill holes in these beautiful pieces of glass using either a drill or using a drill press should you have one at home. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to need you're going to need your gloves, you're going to need your protective eyewear, and you are also going to need a little wrench to tighten up the bolt on the back of this. You're going to need your measuring tape so that you can measure the center of your plates in order to cut the hole through the center of the glass. I've got 3 washers. I've got a hook that you're going to be using, or I'm going to be using rather, and then I've got this little nut and washer that I'm also going to be using. All right, so stay with me because I'm going to give you the tips from A to Z on how to assemble this. Okay, let's move on to assembly. I'm going to take my door pole and I'm going to go ahead and put a washer straight through just like that. Then I'm going to take my flower petal and push that straight through just like that. I'm going to take my Mikasa and I'm going to push that straight through just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to quickly turn this over and I'm going to put another washer right there, and then I'm going to put my beautiful hook right just like that. Then I'm going to just put a little clear washer back here just to stabilize everything. Push that down. I'm pushing it down or screwing it. I mean, I'm just pushing it in. Okay, and then I'm going to put another little washer right there, and then just like that, and then I have my little bolt. Just be careful when you're assembling that you don't crack the plates. Okay, just very, very carefully. Just take my little wrench and I'm just tightening it. Okay, just be real careful. Don't tighten it too much. Just tighten it up enough and then adjust and then tighten it fully. Okay, so here we go. All right, so I love this beautiful door pole here. It just really accents the whole entire glass flower. All right, so yeah, here we go. So let me go ahead and show it to you. I may go ahead and just cut this piece off here because it's a little long, and I can do that with some wire cutters or bolt cutters, but I just wanted to show you. I put these little polka dots on here to accent the flower, and I love the hook. I always love this hook. It's a beautiful hook. And these are made out of crystals, some kind of Swarovski crystals. And then this red flower petal. And then there's the Mikasa supporting plate. On the mount, this mount is a little bit too big, but I'm just showing it to you for the purposes of the demonstration on how it looks. And then I'm going to turn it around the back. I've got the hook actually sitting right on the stand there, so that gives it extra support. This is a really, really small flower compared to what I normally use, but nonetheless, I think it's absolutely amazing. And The red gives it quite a bit of pop, as well as this crystal door pull. All right, so there's the back of it. I think it looks beautiful. Don't you think it looks amazing? I think it looks amazing. All right, I just want to thank all of you for joining me here at Zodic at the Farm. And always many blessings sent your way. And if you did like this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button so that I know that you're enjoying the content. If you have any questions or concerns, you can put them in the comment section below. I love hearing comments from all of you. So just drop me a comment if you actually enjoy the flower. And but if you have questions outside of the comment section, please email me at zodicatthefarm@gmail.com. And you can also, if you want to purchase these particular items, you can find them at my website at zodicatthefarm.com. And you can also find these on Etsy.com under RobinClayton ZodicGlassshop. All right, so I hope you have a wonderful week. Again, many blessings sent your way. I hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you next week here at Zodic at the Farm. God bless you. Bye-bye.